Hello and welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing you the Salesian news across the globe. During the extraordinary visit to the Salesian province of India, Shillong, Father Biju Michael, Councillor for the South Asia region, inaugurated the centenary block of Cleriat Senior Secondary School in Cleriat in the East Giant Hills region of Meghalaya district on March 30th. The centenary block was built in memory of the centenary of the arrival of the Salesians in the Northeast and Giant Hills region and is dedicated to Father Enrico Fantin, SDB, who began missionary work in the parish in 1976. The dedication ceremony began with words of welcome from the principal, Brother Solomon Swear, Salesian coadjutor, followed by several speeches from the students. Father Michael praised the missionaries who gave all they had for the cause of the poor and oppressed in the region. He urged those present to follow their example, especially to be of service to the youth, especially the poorest. Father George Maliakal, former INTS provincial, Father Ioannis War, pastor, and many other priests and religious of the parish were present for the occasion. Haitian immigrants and those living in poverty in the Dominican Republic receive healthy nutrition thanks to a partnership between Salesian Missions, the U.S. development arm of the Salesians of Don Bosco, and Rise Against Hunger, an international relief organization that provides food and life-changing aid to the world's most vulnerable. The shipment of rice meals was sent to the Don Bosco Salesian Foundation and then distributed to 9 centers during the second half of 2022. The recipients who work most directly with Haitian immigrants included Daughters of Mary Help of Christians, Montalvo Center, Santo Domingo Savio School Home, Our Lady of Alta Gracia Parish, Scala Brilliant Association, Association of People with Physical Motor Disabilities, Villa Juana Parish, Corazon de Jesus Family Ministry, and the Cruz Geminian Foundation. Due to the current political crisis, there are many Haitian immigrants in the Dominican Republic. The donation of fortified rice has helped many families who are waiting for the necessary documentation to formalize their stay in the country. On March 11 and 12, the team of Works and Social Services of the Salesian province of Argentina North, formerly named Team of Works Working with Youth in Vulnerable Contexts, met in Cordoba. The name change was necessary to align with the path the Salesian congregation is taking globally, and the provincial team continues to consolidate little by little in the same direction. The meeting enabled the discernment of some steps to be taken that are being shaped into strategic planning centered on 4 lines of work: space consolidation, resource management and networking, formation and accompaniment, and communication and socialization. From April 6 to 9, the Salesians and the Daughters of Mary Help of Christians in Spain are organizing traditional Easter gatherings which help to live the central events of the Christian faith during Holy Week intensely: the Passion, Death, and Resurrection of the Lord. Once again, teens and young people associated with Salesian houses in Spain will have the opportunity to experience Holy Week in one of the traditional Easter gatherings. On this occasion, some 2,000 participants aged between 16 and 25 are expected to participate in this spiritual experience. Together with the young people, several hundred animators, Salesians and FMAs will accompany the participants during these days, organizing moments of prayer, group, personal reflection, and the religious celebrations of the Easter Triduum. It should be noted that the number of participants exceeded the expectations of the organizers, who had to increase the hosting capacity. From March 20th to 24th, 2023, the Provincial School for Salesian Youth Centers and Oratories in the Republic of Congo was held at the Salesian community in Point Nua. Already for the past 3 years, the Mary Help of Africa Congo Vice Province, through the Delegation for Youth Ministry, has been organizing an annual skill-building moment for collaborators and animators of oratories and youth centers. Form oneself to form well is the goal of this initiative. This year's event was attended by 105 young animators from the country's 3 Salesian communities: Cité Don Bosco Masengo and St. Charles Loanga in Brazzaville and St. John Bosco in Point Nua. In a beautiful Salesian atmosphere, the participants were able to recharge their batteries and also celebrated Salesian Mission Day, which focused on the protection of nature. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.